To make a reservation in QReserve, you can access two different types of calendars: a facility-wide calendar and a resource-specific calendar. To access a facility-wide calendar, select the calendar icon in your dashboard. You can access the same calendar by going to the Sites tab, selecting your facility, and clicking the Reservation Calendar button in the top right corner. From here, you can toggle between a variety of views. You can also check out previous months. If you scroll down to the bottom, you have a variety of filtering options as well. We can filter by resources, by a group of resources, by status options, as well as by specific users. To access a resource-specific calendar, select the facility-wide profile and click the calendar icon next to the resource you'd like to book. In this case, I am looking at the microscope-specific calendar, and I'm going to make a reservation for the 26th of September. I'm going to adjust my duration and begin my reservation at 11:30 a.m. At this point, you can also add multiple resources to make a multi-resource booking. And if you are a moderator or an administrator, you can book on behalf of additional users. Once you're satisfied with all of your details, you can hit reserve.